Hi, I'm Dr. Emoji, and I present to you the Pyramid Model Project, Parent Workshops, a collaboration between the University of Miami Department of Psychology, Miami Children Initiative, and the Miami-Dade County Public Schools Early Childhood Programs. As promised, Session 1 of a series of 6 sessions, Positive Solutions for Families, Making Connections. Think of a person who was really special to you when you were growing up. What made you think of this person? What did they do that made them important or special to you? Every child needs one person who is crazy about them. That person should be you. Can't think of anything? No worries. We are here to help. Here are some tips for encouraging your child. Powerful parenting practice. Get your child's attention. Use behavior-specific language. Keep it simple. Avoid combining encouragement with criticism. Encourage with enthusiasm. Double the impact with physical warmth. Use positive comments and encourage your child in front of others. Tip number 1, getting your child's attention. When getting your child's attention, try kneeling or squatting down to their level. Being on the same eye level with your child helps them feel safe and loved. Use behavior-specific language such as walk, keep your hands to yourself, wait your turn. When encouraging your child, leave out what they did wrong and focus on what they are doing right. Remember to always be their number one cheerleader. You can never go wrong with a nice hug. Caring is sharing. Let everyone know how amazing your child is. Now, let's try a relationship building activity. List 5 things that you will try to do in the next week that will make your child feel really special. Things that will help build a positive relationship with you and your child. Okay, now your turn. Remember to try to encourage your child at least 5 times this week. Good luck! Be on the lookout for our next short video on making it happen. That's it for now, but check out our other videos. Till next time, Dr. Emoji signing out.